In today's video, we are reviewing Roland DJ-202 compact DJ controller. And the best part is you get iconic TR-808 and TR-909 drum sounds built right in for instant beat making. I have provided the link to this DJ controller in the description below at the best price in the market, so feel free to check it out. If you're a beginner DJ, a bedroom DJ, or even someone who wants a portable setup for parties, the Roland DJ-202 is a super smart choice because it's simple to learn, fun to use, and powerful enough to grow with you. First, it's a 2-channel controller, but it gives you control over 4 decks, which means you can mix more tracks, add extra layers, and build more creative transitions without needing expensive gear. The large, low-latency platters feel smooth and responsive, so if you love scratching or doing quick jog wheel moves, it feels natural and accurate. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in Roland drum kits, including legendary TR-808, TR-909, and TR-606 sounds, so you can add punchy kicks, crisp claps, and classic rhythms while you DJ, making your set sound more professional and more live. You also get an onboard 16-step sequencer, which lets you create beats on the fly and control the sampler in Serato DJ Lite, so you're not just playing songs, you're actually performing. The performance pads are super useful too, with modes like Hot Cue, Loop, Sequencer, and Sampler, so you can trigger drops, repeat sections, and add effects easily. Setup is simple with USB connectivity, and the lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Overall, the Roland DJ-202 is perfect for beginners who want an easy controller, and also for DJs who want extra creativity with drum sounds and sequencing. If you want a compact DJ controller that feels great, sounds amazing, and keeps your mixes exciting, this is absolutely worth it. Check the link in the description below and grab it at the best price.